Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hunt County in north central Texas, southeastern Fannin County in north central Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Celeste, or 14 miles north of Greenville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Leonard, Honey Grove, Wolf City, Celeste, Bailey, Ladonia, and Pecan Gap. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.